Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Everspace to not launching. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, first click here and type Windows Update Settings and then check for updates, and after that make sure to install all the updates that you can find and then go back and go to Enable Xbox Game Bar. Turn off this option, go to GeForce Experience, Drivers, and make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.